Oh my goodness, guys. Yesterday, this is actually the work I did. Like, I was sewing all these full lace caps and all the frontals for the next job. And very soon, guys, I'll be making a video to show you guys our factory where the production is going on, where the lace wigs are made. Okay, so this is what our frontal looks like. I did this sewing yesterday. This is a small closure 2x6. There's a 5x5 here, that's it, 13x6. Then more full lace wigs, and from here downwards you can see the jobs that have been done. We are sending out most of them today. So yep, so over there, down there, let me see if I can zoom. These are all human hairs. Then the frontals here are fibers, and then we have some synthetic full laces. There's some human hair full lace, and yep, and then down to this part, and there are a lot, about hundreds going on in the factory right now. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for your support. All our customers, we love you so much. Yes, if you want us to handle some orders for you, do let us know by calling the number on the screen or WhatsApping us, and we'll respond to you as quickly as we can, as possible.